Welcome back. We are still on the topic straight lines. In the previous video, we learned how to determine or investigate whether a point falls or lies on a straight line. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the coordinates of the point of intersection of two lines. Finding the coordinates of the point of intersection of two lines. Let's consider our diagram once again. We have two straight lines drawn in the xy plane. Let's say that the first straight line has an equation of x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. And the second straight line has an equation of 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. We can clearly see that these two straight lines meet at this point. So this is their point of intersection. Now, when we trace it to the x-axis, we are going to get a value there. Let's call that value x1. In the same way, when you trace it to the y-axis, you get another value there, and let's call that value y1. x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two lines. So the coordinates of this point will be x1, that is the x coordinate, and y1, that is the y coordinate. And as I said, x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the point of intersection of these two lines. Now, how do we find the coordinates of the point of intersection of two lines when we are given the equation of the two lines? When we are given the equation of the two lines, the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two lines can be found by A. Solving the equations of the two lines simultaneously. So when you have the equation of the first line and the equation of the second line, and you want to find the coordinates of the point of intersection of those two lines, you have two options. The first option is that you solve the two equations that you have simultaneously. So if you solve this equation and that equation simultaneously, you are going to get values for x and y. The x value will give us the x coordinate of the point of intersection of the two lines, and the y value will give us the y coordinate of the point of intersection of the two lines. So when you are given the equation of the two lines, you can find the coordinates of the point of intersection by 1. Solving the two equations simultaneously. Another option is by graphing the equations of the two lines. This means that you are going to draw the graph of the first equation and you draw the graph of the second equation on the same graph sheet. Now, when you draw the graph of the two equations on the same graph sheet, you will see that they will meet at a certain point. When you trace that point to the x-axis, you get the x coordinate of the point of intersection, and when you trace it to the y-axis, you get the y coordinate of the point of intersection. So when you are given the equation of two straight lines, you can find the coordinates of their point of intersection by 1. Solving the equations of the two lines simultaneously, or 2. Graphing the equations of the two lines. So for example, if you want to find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two lines that we have in our diagram, that is, if you want to find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the line x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and the line 3x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, we can solve these two equations simultaneously for the values of x and y, or we can draw the graphs of the two lines on the same graph sheet, and then from the graph sheet we can find the coordinates of the point of intersection of these two lines. We are going to learn how to find the coordinates of the point of intersection by using both methods. We will begin with the first one, that is finding the coordinate of the point of intersection of two straight lines by solving their equations simultaneously. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. As I've already indicated, in the next video, we are going to learn how to find the coordinates of the point of intersection of two straight lines by solving the equations of the straight lines simultaneously. Bye-bye.